What is up, Pokemon fans, and welcome back to another Pokemon opening. And I have something that I've never opened up on my channel. I know it's a bit late, but hey, it's better late than never. So and one of the reasons why I got it was because it has a pack of Flashfire in it. So yeah, those are pretty hard to come by nowadays, unless you want to buy a booster box for about $330. Then yeah, but me, I don't have that kind of money. So what I got is I got this right here, a Gallade EX box with a Flashfire pack in it. So this I got from my Walmart. I was gonna say Wally World, which I call it sometimes or most of the time, but yeah. So I got this from Walmart for 19, I'll just say 20 bucks. So yeah, and there were 4 boxes of these, but 2 of them was basically a reprint, and 2 of them was the old version, which is this. So the other 2 that I saw, they had evolutions in it, and then no Flashfire, and this one has XY and Flashfire with 2 Phantom Forces. So that's why I got it. I wanted to get the other one, but then the other one was kind of messed up. The promo was out, this pack was out, so I didn't want to get that. So yeah. Alright, so let's get right into this. And then my kids are up still yet, they're not sleeping. I am recording this at 9:30 at night. So yeah. Hey, you guys need to go to sleep already, yeah? You have school tomorrow. And it's a school day, and they're not sleeping yet. It's almost 10 o'clock already where I'm at. So here is the mega, why do I keep saying mega, but the oversized Gallade promo, and here is the regular size Gallade EX promo, XY45, as it says over there. Pretty nice, and it's in decent condition. Not really. Well, if this was to get graded, it'll probably get a grade of an 8. It has a bit of a nick on the bottom, but that's about it. And then some whitening on the side as well. So yeah, you get the gist. Comes with the code card as well. I'll be keeping that for myself. Okay. Oh, whoa. Packs almost fell down, man. So we are going to do XY first, along with the 2 Phantom Forces, and then the Flashfire for last. Alright. So we are going to go right into this, because we're 84 minutes in, and this is getting to be a bit long. Alright, so XY base, we got a Super Potion, Herdier, Great Ball, Energy, Froakie, Skitty, Shelder, Fletchling. Ooh, that's nice. A reverse rare Chestnut. Awesome. And a Macargo. So we did get a reverse rare in the first pack onto Phantom Forces. Alright. You guys gotta go sleep. Come on. School tomorrow. My youngest is still up too. She's playing with the grandma right now. Okay, so Phantom Forces, guys. We have a Roller Skates, Fletchender, Cirrhosis, Alamamola, Skarmory, Bunnelby, Roggenrola, Carablast, a reverse Totodile. Speaking of Totodile, did you guys catch this already in Pokemon Go? I sure did. Oh wow, this is the first one out of this. A whatever this is, a Flare, Team Flare card. It's a head ringer. Awesome. I never pulled any of these opening Phantom Forces, and this is actually the first one that I pulled, and it seems to be in decent condition besides the corners and a little bit whitening on this side, a little bit on this side, so not really gradable. If it was to get graded, it will probably get an 8. I mean, I would go graded, but I don't know, you know? Alright, on to the second Phantom Forces card. So we got a Battle Compressor, Professor Sycamore, Lampent, Muna, Chansey, Pumpkaboo, Skarmory, Carablast, a reverse Alamomola, and a Yanmega. Hi, babe. And we are on to the MVP of this video, Flashfire. So, here we go. And my wife is bothering. Whoopsie. Okay, so 3 in the front. And we got a Pokemon Center Lady, Krokorok, Frou-Frou, Pidgey, Seedot, Sandile, Shinx, Fletchling, a nice reverse Pyra, which is a rare, and a Skunk Tank. So
like
wah.
Like him.
Yeah, like me sometimes. Sometimes I stink.
Ew.
So we did get 2 reverse rares right here. And then we also got this lovely head ringer and a Gallade EX promo, which is nice actually. This is my first one of this, so this is a nice card to pull. Awesome. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have, please leave a like. If you did not, leave a dislike. And if you are new, click that subscribe button for more Pokemon openings. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.